You got 20. You got, somebody else has got 20. Come on, y'all. Come on. 20 bucks. You ain't gonna get nothing like that nowhere for 20 bucks.
All right, guys.
20, we got 20.
I'm back at the car
20,
show
25,
here,
25,
and it is
25.
hot. But I put it up for 2 days, and I feel like a baked potato.
22.50.
But it was all cool. Let me give you a look-see.
All right, where we at? 20. Where we at? 20.
There's my Dodge, 1923 Dodge. Got best antique, unrestored antique. So that's cool. There's my Chrysler.
Which one? 30,
That was a 35 Chrysler.
30, 35. Anybody?
And I brought the old Nash out.
40 in. 40.
She's still alive.
40, 45.
And here we are.
45.
This is the local Colonial Beach car show.
Bring it up here, buddy.
It's at the end of the meet. It's real thinned out right now. And everybody's trying to get out of here at the same time. But this is it. We're all good.
What's he want? 20?
Now, I think I'm gonna fold up house here and get out of here also. All right, guys. Just wanted to let you know what I've been doing instead of working on cars. All right. Bye for now.